Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a new GoCard. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gocard.translink.com.au and press enter. You will now be taken into the official GoCard website. Now from the homepage, if you wish to buy a new card, click on the Buy a GoCard button. Once you click on this, you will be asked to choose your age. Click on your appropriate option and click on the Continue button. And now you will need to enter your personal details. Enter your first, your middle, and your last name, followed by your full address, whether residential or postal. Finally, enter your contact information by choosing your phone type and entering your phone number as well as email address. Now, within the secret question section, just choose what kind of secret question you would like to save and also provide the answer. After filling all of these information, click on the Continue button, and then you will be allowed to register for your account by setting up your credentials. After setting up your password for your account, you will need to subscribe to an appropriate subscription service. After choosing your subscription and checking out all of the details that you have finally filled up and provided, you can then make your payment using your credit or debit card as well as your PayPal account. Once your payment has been finalized, proceed forward with the confirmation and your card will be delivered to you within the address that you mentioned, and the delivery details will be forwarded to you through your phone or your email. So just wait for the card to arrive to you, and then you will be able to start using your card right away. And there you have it. That is how you can buy a GoCard. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.